Nature is full of surprises. Few are as incredible as the metamorphosis of a butterfly. This is a journey of dramatic change, from a tiny egg to a magnificent flying insect. It is a story of growth, transformation, and the power of nature. Metamorphosis is a Greek word meaning change of form. It describes the process of an animal completely changing its body plan. Insects like butterflies, moths, beetles, and flies all undergo metamorphosis. This remarkable process allows them to exploit different food sources and habitats throughout their lives. The butterfly's metamorphosis is a four-stage process. It starts with the egg, then the larva, caterpillar, followed by the pupa, chrysalis, and finally the adult butterfly. Each stage is crucial for the butterfly's development and survival. Join us as we explore this incredible journey. The life of a butterfly begins with a tiny egg. A female butterfly carefully lays her eggs on a host plant. This is the plant that her offspring will eat when they hatch. She chooses the plant based on its species and health, ensuring her babies have enough food. Butterfly eggs come in many shapes and sizes. Some are round, others oval, and some even have ridges or bumps. The color of the egg can also vary, from white or yellow to green or brown. Depending on the species and the environment, butterfly eggs can hatch in a few days or a few weeks. Inside each egg, a tiny caterpillar is developing. It patiently waits for the right time to emerge and begin its life as a hungry, growing larva. When the time is right, a tiny caterpillar hatches from the egg. The first meal it often eats is its own eggshell. This provides a valuable source of nutrients. Then, the caterpillar begins its main task: eating. Caterpillars are eating machines. They spend nearly their entire time consuming leaves and growing rapidly. As they grow, their skin becomes too tight and they molt. Molting is the process of shedding the old skin and growing a new, larger one. A caterpillar will typically molt 4 or 5 times before it is ready for the next stage of its life. The caterpillar stage is crucial for storing energy. The food it consumes during this time will fuel its transformation into a butterfly. It's a time of intense eating, growing, and preparing for the remarkable change to come. Once the caterpillar has reached its full size, it stops eating and searches for a safe place to transform. This might be under a leaf on a twig or even underground. The caterpillar then sheds its skin one last time, revealing a hard, shell-like structure called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, a truly amazing transformation is taking place. The caterpillar's body breaks down into a soupy mixture of cells. This process is controlled by hormones and enzymes. These special chemicals direct the reorganization of the caterpillar's body into a completely new form. Though it appears inactive from the outside, the chrysalis is a place of intense activity. Imagine a sculptor's studio where a lump of clay is being molded into a beautiful work of art. This is what's happening inside the chrysalis. Wings, legs, antennae, and all the other parts of the adult butterfly are being formed. After a period ranging from a few weeks to several months, the transformation is complete. The chrysalis splits open, and a wet, crumpled butterfly emerges. It hangs upside down, slowly pumping fluid into its wings, expanding them to their full size and allowing them to dry. Once the butterfly is ready, it takes its first flight. It is now a completely different creature from the caterpillar that spun the chrysalis. The butterfly is no longer earthbound, but can soar through the air, feeding on nectar from flowers. The adult butterfly's main purpose is reproduction. It will mate, lay eggs, and thus continue the cycle of life. The butterfly stage is a time of beauty, freedom, and the continuation of the species. The incredible transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is orchestrated by hormones. These chemical messengers travel through the caterpillar's body, triggering specific changes at each stage of metamorphosis. Think of hormones as tiny directors, telling different parts of the caterpillar's body what to do and when to do it. One important hormone involved in metamorphosis is called juvenile hormone. As the name suggests, this hormone keeps the caterpillar in its larval stage, allowing it to grow and molt. When the time is right, the levels of juvenile hormone drop, signaling the caterpillar to start preparing for pupation. Another key hormone is ecdysone. This hormone triggers molting in the caterpillar and also plays a crucial role in the formation of the chrysalis. The precise timing and levels of these hormones are critical for the successful metamorphosis of the butterfly. Metamorphosis is not only controlled by internal factors like hormones, but also by external factors in the environment. Temperature, daylight hours, and food availability all play a role in the timing and success of butterfly development. For example, many butterfly species rely on specific host plants for their caterpillars to feed on. If these plants are not available, the caterpillars cannot survive. Similarly, changes in temperature or rainfall can affect the timing of egg hatching, larval development, and even the emergence of adults from their chrysalises. The delicate balance between internal and external factors highlights the interconnectedness of nature. Butterflies, like all living organisms, are adapted to specific environmental conditions. Changes in these conditions can have significant impacts on their life cycles and survival. Section 8. Dangers and defenses. Outsmarting predators. The life of a butterfly from egg to adult is fraught with danger. Birds, spiders, wasps, and other predators are always on the lookout for a tasty caterpillar or a delicate butterfly to snack on. To survive, butterflies have evolved a remarkable array of defenses. Some caterpillars are camouflaged to blend in with their surroundings. Others have spines or hairs that make them unappetizing to predators. Some caterpillars even mimic the appearance of bird droppings, deterring predators from taking a closer look. Adult butterflies also have their defenses. Some have bright colors that warn predators of their toxicity. Others have eye spots on their wings that startle predators or direct attacks away from their vulnerable bodies. The constant struggle between predator and prey is a driving force in the evolution of these fascinating adaptations. Section 9. Butterflies and the balance of nature. Pollination power. Butterflies play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. As they flit from flower to flower sipping nectar, they also collect pollen on their bodies. This pollen is then transferred to other flowers, enabling plants to reproduce. Pollination is essential for the survival of many plant species, including those that provide us with food, medicine, and other resources. Butterflies, along with bees, hummingbirds, and other pollinators, are vital for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring the continuation of life on Earth. The decline of butterfly populations in many parts of the world is a serious concern. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change are all contributing factors. Protecting butterflies and their habitats is crucial for preserving biodiversity and the health of our planet. Section 10. The beauty of change. A lesson from butterflies. The metamorphosis of a butterfly is not just a remarkable biological process, it's also a powerful metaphor for change and transformation. The caterpillar's journey from a crawling, earthbound creature to a winged beauty reminds us that change is a natural part of life. Just like the caterpillar embraces its transformation within the chrysalis, we too can embrace the changes in our own lives. Change can be challenging, even daunting at times, but it can also lead to growth, new experiences, and ultimately, a more beautiful and fulfilling existence. The butterfly's story teaches us that even in the midst of great change, there is always hope, beauty, and the promise of new beginnings. Let the butterfly's transformation inspire you to embrace change, to have faith in the process of life, and to never stop reaching for your full potential. Section 11. A world of wonder. Appreciating nature's magic. The next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has undertaken. Remember the tiny egg, the hungry caterpillar, the silent chrysalis, and the final, glorious transformation. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and the sheer beauty of the natural world. Nature is full of such wonders waiting to be discovered and appreciated. By opening our eyes to the magic around us, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet and our place within it. Let the butterfly's metamorphosis inspire you to look closer, ask questions, and never lose your sense of wonder for the natural world.